Hello children, today again I am going to teach and explain something more regarding the chapter linear inequation for class 10 children. Solve and draw the solution set on number line, and the question is minus 1 by 3 less than equal to x by 2 plus 1 whole 2 by 3 less than equal to 5 whole 1 by 6, and here the unknown variable x belongs to w. W means whole number, and whole number begins from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So in case 1, you all know we take first expression, and that middle means second expression. So we take this and this 2. So here we took that same, and in the second step 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. So here it was a mixed fraction, I made it improper fraction. Now, as you all know, I have always told you that we should target that what should we do that our x remains positive. So here if I say, if I shift x by 2 to the left hand side, then plus will become minus. So it's better not to go to the left side, let it be in the same place. So better what we do, take the numbers on the left side. Let the number be negative, no problem, but always keep the x variable as positive. So not changing the sign is better here. If you change the side, then x will become negative. So we did LCM here, and our result you could see after LCM minus 6 by 3, and this x by 2 remains same, and 3 2s are 6. So you can see our result is minus 2, but it is said x should be on the left hand side at the end. So when I bring x by 2 this side, automatically this symbol changes. Why? Because this symbol is facing towards x. So when I change x, to make the conclusion same, the symbol has to change so that it will again face towards x. So as I have to make x alone, if this 2 will go that side, it will cross multiply with minus 2. So 2 2s are 4 and minus 4. So that means our result is x more than equal to minus 4. We began with less than symbol, but we ended with greater than equal to symbol. Now second case, you know, second part and third part we take, and here as you know x is in positive form and it is alone, so we will not shift to the right hand side, let it be in the same place. So now let us shift 3 1s are 3 plus 2, that is 5 by 3 that side, and this becomes 6 5 to 30 plus 1, 31 by 6. So it remains in the same place. So plus 5 by 3 comes this side and becomes minus 5 by 3. So we do LCM. LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. After doing LCM, our result is 21 by 6. As you all know, x is in the correct position, in the correct side. So now only my duty is to shift this 2 towards that side. And it is said, whenever something is in denominator, when it changes the side, it goes and multiplies at the top. So 21 into 2, this 2 comes here with 21 and by 6. 2 3s are 6, 3 7s are 21. So x is less than equal to 7. So now when I combine this both, I will have to write x, and these two symbols are compulsory. It is called less than equal to, less than equal to. It is also called ascending symbol. So here what I did, I have brought minus 4 this side and 7 this side, because in ascending order always the smaller number is on the left hand side and greater number is on the right hand side. Here x belongs to w. W means whole number. So the result says x is even equal to minus 4 but less than 7. That means value of x is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But since it is whole number, we cannot take negative number. So our result will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because equal to 7. So when we plot the whole number, we have to put circle on every number. So this is our number line, because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same thing we did here. In example 2, I will show you here. I have made a question, but I have given two options. Here x might belong to R also and may belong to I also. For two cases I have done two number line. This is for R, this is for I. So same thing, first and second goes here, and here as you can see 5x is greater and 2x is smaller. So 5x will remain in the same place and 2x will shift this side, because this will give us positive x. But if I bring this 5x this side, I will get minus, that is negative x. So to make it positive x, I shifted 2x that side, and here it is 3x, and here let the number be negative, no problem. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 9. But x should be positive. But x is in the wrong side. When I bring this side, automatically symbol changes and minus 9 goes that side, and as a result we get x is greater than equal to minus 3. And here 5x is positive and no x this side. So x remains in the same side. Automatically number goes to the other side, and our result is 7 by 5 here, and when we simplify it is 1.4. So when x belongs to R, our number line is very different. We put circle at the borders only, and then we join the borders, and then we dark the whole region. So here minus 3 is border, minus 1.4 is border. So on the border I put circle, but here why dark? Because it is equal to. And here why no dark? Because here no equal to, and we shade this. As you all know, I have discussed in the last video. But if the same solution if its same solution belongs to I means integer. Integer means we have to take positive number also, negative, but we cannot take decimal. So that's why in this case what we can say, x is equal to minus 3 but less than 1.4. So our result will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. Why not 1.4? Because integer we cannot make it we cannot write in decimal. So when we make for I we put circle for every number. So this is my explanation, children, and with these two examples please do few of my questions. I have given answers also here. Please check the answer and then draw number line for 1, 2 and 4, and for number 3 I have drawn number line here, but you find the answers correctly. So thank you children for watching my video.